Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at a new Kickstarter project from a company called Erazor. It's a small portable USB-C rechargeable travel shaver with ceramic blades. I did previously review a very similar looking shaver last year from a company called Micro Novelty, and that was called the Evo shaver. This Erazor shaver has ceramic blades, whereas the Evo shaver that I previously reviewed does not. In the box, you get the Erazor, a Type-C charging cable, a soft travel pouch, and a cleaning brush. This will be available for a launch price of about $79 US. You can get it starting at $49 US if you get in early. I've been testing this Erazor for the past few weeks and I have found it very compact and easy to use. The USB charging is very useful as I have many devices that charge with this kind of cable, making it very easy to use the same cable between many different things. There is a little rubber flap over the charging port though, which is a little bit finicky to open. It's a bit annoying and requires you to either have long nails or use tweezers to really be able to pry it open. Personally, I think they should just remove this rubber cover, but I think that it has something to do with keeping it waterproof. Speaking of waterproof, it's IPX7 waterproof, which means you can rinse it off underwater, but not fully submerge it. I personally found using the brush easier for dusting out the loose hairs though, and then just rinsing the top removable part of the blade under the water. The ceramic blades are also resistant to rusting too, so you'll have peace of mind knowing that while rinsing it out, it won't rust. I don't have particularly thick or dense facial hair, but I found it did a reasonable job of removing the hair and leaving a smooth shave. It's not as baby smooth as when I use a traditional double-edged razor though, but it's not designed to be. This is designed for speed and convenience, and it certainly delivers in this area. It's very small and portable and able to be used anywhere, and only takes a few minutes to get a smooth shave out of it without needing to lather up and get a blade out and do all that double-edged shaving stuff. So for me, I think it's actually a great travel razor, or even just one to keep nearby when you need to have a quick shave and get going in a very short amount of time. It's currently available via the Kickstarter with the links in the description and below, and I would certainly recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a rechargeable electric razor. What's your favorite travel razor? Please do leave a comment below and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.